Hey, welcome back everybody to a brand new episode of Space Engineers. It's episode 3 already, and we are still stuck on the moon. Have quite a few more episodes. I feel like we're probably going to be here before we're able to get off and start colonizing Earth. But the moon is our kind of our startup area anyway, so this is where we need to really get set up and ready to go to start colonizing all these other planets. With that being said, let's talk about some of the things we did. So, I built the wall up there, so I want to start getting some oxygen pumped in here, but I think I might have to do a wall all the way around with iron. So it might be a while before we get to that point. But what I've been doing to really help myself out is I designed this drill setup here, which I've been slowly improving on and making better. We are actually out of stone again, so let's go ahead and just extend this back out. Let's see here. We are at 4, so let's go to 6. And hopefully this thing can hold up with all that stone that's coming in right now. Should be able to. We are looking much better on iron, sitting at, what do we have? Like, I think I just saw 4,000 iron. Yeah, almost 5,000 iron. Plenty of silicone, plenty of nickel. So we should be good for a little while when it comes to that type of stuff, which is good. So the other thing that we need to take a look at here, though, is let's not get hit by that, is I had to redo our solar array. Basically now it rotates and adjusts this, so it rotates this way as well as this way to stay with the sun. I thought I could do it on both sides, but I'm dumb, and you can't unless I'm really dumb. I don't know what I did, but it just doesn't work for me. So we're just going to twirl on in a circle and forget about that for right now, because we have a mission to do. That mission is, I want to... Oh my god, don't die. Okay, good. I want to get underneath my progression, and we need to unlock the O2 H2 generator, so it unlocks our hydrogen thrusters, so we can actually start building a hydrogen ship for mining purposes, which we need. But on top of that, I also want to get some platinum, which I'm pretty positive we found, because I want to make myself a gravity generator, which is going to then allow me to make these force field generator blocks, which is a mod that I've downloaded. So maybe put a force field up. So main focus is let's get that done. I think to do so, I need to have, because I actually started building the generator, the grav generator, like, why are words so hard, somewhere over here, like right here. And I think all it needs yet is, well, it needs quite a few things, but it needs 6 gravity components. And to get the 6 gravity components, we need, I believe, just platinum. Is it just, please tell me it's just platinum. It's just platinum, right? Oh, and gold. And silver. There's no platinum at all. It's gold and silver. How are we looking on stone now? Did we do all right there? Yeah, should be good. Should be good. Okay, so I guess what I need to do is just go on a mission to find silver and gold. Is that even possible? Can you find silver and gold on the moon? Well, I guess if it's not on the moon, one of the asteroids in the area should have it. And I should be able to get out of the atmosphere pretty easily with just my basic thrust. So let's just start off by zooming around and see if we can get lucky and find some gold and find some platinum. Not platinum, I already found platinum. Platinum's right there. That's why this would have been really easy, because I already found platinum. But I need silver and gold. What's nice about it, though, is you can easily see this oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, hold up. Let's do GPS, moon, silver. Alright, we found silver. So now we just need gold. Is this a lot of silver? Is this all silver? Huh. I can almost build like a little ore factory, refinery factor out here. Look at this. Nothing else is showing up but just silver. Is it really that big of a silver? That's insane. Yeah, I really think that we're going to end up building a mining factory right here with a couple refineries, a couple drill bits, and we'll make this work. All right. Okay, cobalt. I'm not worried about cobalt right now. Okay, cool. Let's move on. I already have cobalt tagged, so I'm not going to worry about tagging that right now. But I just want to find some gold, and hopefully we get lucky. No, nickel. There's more platinum. Might as well mark platinum. So I'm getting lucky on a couple of these things right now. It's am I going to get lucky on gold now? I think we will. I think we will, because we've already found 2 already. So let's do plat. Okay. Anyway, I'll bring you back in once I find some gold. Alright, well, I almost burnt through all my first set of power, but we did find it. So How lucky are we right now? Let's go ahead and mark this before I lose it. GPS, moon, and gold. That is exciting. Let's see how hard would it be for us to actually find this real fast here. Hopefully it's not too... I mean, it's 43 meters down, obviously, but hopefully it's a decent size pocket of gold. Always nice to get. But this is exciting because this will let me start. And really, I'm starting to think, if I have gold and if I have platinum and if I have silver, can't I just make thruster components, which means I don't really need hydrogen in the end anyway, like hydrogen thrust? I would just need to use battery, which means if I could find uranium, which I believe is only on asteroids, but I could technically just build a uranium-powered ship with the reactor versus having to even have hydrogen powered at all. So if I can build the ship strong enough, my first ship here strong enough, battery-wise... Uh-oh. Why did you just disappear? Don't tell me I just broke it. What? Did I just mine through this? No, it's over here. I'm so confused. But anyway, if I have it set up to where I can... Oh yeah, I gotta go get energy. Let's see if I can just get a little bit of gold real fast before I run out. This is probably dumb. This is probably risky. But let's just see if we can't sneak just a little bit here. I don't think it's gonna take too long to get back. It just takes a lot of energy to mine like this is the problem. Come on. I might just run back real fast. I don't know. There's silver there too. That's really funny. We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave and get energy, and we're gonna come back here and figure this out. Alright, let's try this again to see if we can actually get gold. I don't understand it. Am I breaking it? I don't get what's going on here. Like, I thought this was gold, but I think that's just showing that there's more ore in the area. But where am I? I'm at the bottom. Like, I wonder what point in time I need to stop right-clicking and just left-click. Alright, well that took way too long to finally start getting to where the gold was at. It kept on moving on me, and it was very frustrating and made it very, very difficult to get here. But we got here, so... I don't have any gold on me yet because I gotta clean up all this stone. I've been kind of cheating a little bit to get the stone cleaned up as fast as possible. Wow, am I getting confused in here? Okay, hold on, what direction am I facing? Yeah, I can drop this one, I think. Been basically just taking all the stone and dropping it like that. Don't, no. Okay, good. Is there any gold at all that I can pick up? No, I don't think so.
Inventory full.
Oh, this is taking forever. Alright, I was able to get a little bit of gold now, at least. I gotta run back and recharge, unfortunately. Just trying to quickly grab as much more of this gold as I can, and then we'll just fill up on stone, I guess. What am I at? I'm at 117. I have no idea how much we're really gonna need, but at least I'm finally getting to that point. Look at all the stone boulders I dropped everywhere just to kind of help speed up this process a little bit. I wish there was a way to delete the stone versus just having to drop it. It's kind of frustrating that the only option you have is to drop it, but hey, well, we'll make it work. Let's just run back though and get charged up, and we'll grab a little bit more gold. All right, so we need a better refinery to refine down gold and silver. So let's go ahead and just break all this off over to this side. We'll run a conveyor system over and connect it. It should be pretty quick and easy, I think. Now I'm going to get some decent amount of space here, but right-clicking should get us there pretty dang quick, I hope. Probably could have brought in the mine or two here, but hoping I can make that obsolete here pretty soon. Just turn it into a rover. What I kind of want to do is make it so I can load that thing up into a shuttle, and then use that to take care of all of our missions or objectives, that type of thing. Okay, so we're getting there. I think let's just go ahead and nuke this out of here real fast. It's nice how well right-click was working. I can't believe I was having so many issues with finding that gold. Like, it was showing up on the drill, but it just did not want to actually work for me. Okay, so let's get rid of this one. Let's make this just a little bit wider here. I think we could go something like this. Come on. Oh my god. That was scary. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, so let's put this back. Why? You were just there. Can you... Oh, I bet there's scrap metal in here somewhere. But there is scrap stuck somewhere down here, and that's what's preventing me from being able to craft this. There we go. Had to have been somewhere in there. Okay, let's go... where is my... That's cargo container... 9 conveyor system. So I think what I'll do is let's actually start by grinding this one completely down. Let's do a T here. Make sure we're actually connected just right. And then let's do a... I think I want to put a junction here just so I have one. Where is my junction? I probably went right there. Okay. So let's quickly put these together here. Let's get these built up. Once that's done, I should be able to go like... Okay, so you have a connector on the bottom, right? Please tell me you have a connector on the bottom. I can't see anything. Okay, so I gotta make it so... Alright, that should work. Let's go like that. 2... Crap. Go away. Let's finish this one up first. Finish them both up. We'll get that put into production. Once that's put into production, we will be able to... Because I should have cleared out my... Hold on, let's do this. I think that works just like that. Alright, well, it's going to take a while to do that. While we're waiting, let's go get more gold. Actually, let's get more power first, then we'll go get more gold. Alright, sweet. We got a full inventory of gold. Luckily, these rocks up here disappeared, so it made it a lot easier to start dumping all the other rocks into it to make it go a lot faster. I think I also dropped a bunch of a stone up here as well. One of those disappeared. There's one up here yet. So it must be on a timer. I don't know how I have my stuff set up, but apparently it's a thing, and apparently it's working, so I'm cool with it. So let's go back and see if we can finish construction on the refinery, because once that's done we can start processing this gold, which means then all we really need to do is find some silver, and we will be looking pretty good to finish up my main objective for today's episode. Looks like we had a meteor strike come in too, and I didn't see that even pop up as a threat. Luckily it didn't hit any of my stuff here, right? Nope, we're looking pretty good. Cool. That thing is just straight up following the sun the whole entire time now. I thought there was a way to make it so it doesn't follow it once it can't see it anymore. I don't know. Maybe I'm just losing my mind, which is very, very possible. I will not... Oh, hole, go away. There you go. Alright, let's dump this in here. Let's grab everything we can. Are we getting there? I bet that we're really waiting on the steel plates. Let's check to make sure we actually have enough iron yet. Production. Yeah, I bet we're out of iron, so that means I need to come up here. And let's just go ahead and go up to 8. And that should start grinding that down for us, mining that up for us, making us feel a little bit better here. How are we on cobalt? Do we have cobalt? Yeah, we have plenty of cobalt. So it's just we need a lot more iron.
Energy low.
That's the big thing that's holding us back right now, is the amount of iron. Although we're getting really close to having this done. Cool, let's just get energy back and then we'll continue welding this up. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this drill off because I don't think I'm going to use this drill anytime soon. Ugh, this hole. Gotta fill that back up. Hopefully it's not too far away until we're done with it. Let's go ahead and deposit everything in there. I know we're getting close. Okay, so what I want to go take a look at here, while that's finishing up, let's go for a little cruise. And I want to go out this way here. And what I want to check out is, let's see what kind of terrain we're looking at over here. Can I get to... There was that really flat area, I think was just right around this corner over here, that I could build a mining base on. Like, it's just a base that had drills that went straight down and mined stone, and I think that there was quite a bit of other stuff here, like that silver, right? Like that silver's only... It's right over there. So can I get there in the ship? Because if I could... this has everything on it that I need to actually be able to build a station, obviously, because we've done it already. It'd be a lot easier because we already have that over there, but it'd be a good little start. I just want to check this out while we're waiting for that stuff to finish mining. It's a little rough here, but it's not bad. We'll get over that pretty easily, I think. Let's go this way a little bit here. A little bit of air. It's nice. And I think we're looking pretty good here. Let's try not to break anything off this thing, though. Dang, look at that. Getting some massive air. Make a really cool buggy for just ripping around on the moon, too. That'd be cool. But you could put some like sensor blocks on it and stuff, so like it would turn thrust on once you got like out of like once you're so far off the ground, just to help kind of smooth the landing out. But yeah, I mean, I could really just kind of park over. Oh, there's ice right there too. Yeah, see, this to me would be a really good way of like building. If I just stopped like right here, and I built the base that just ran off of solar as well, and just set up an actual mining facility right here that dug straight down, I think that'd be epic. So we're gonna leave that there because I think that's what we're gonna do. Might not be this episode. In fact, I might just do the biggest portion of that off recording just to get it done, and I can show you guys, because I'm trying to kind of keep this, especially early on, keep the series moving quickly, purely because I have all the time in the world I want to get this set up, but once I start leaving to go to the other planets, I only have 10 episodes per planet to basically colonize it, prepare it, and hopefully defend a Reaver attack. Alright, that was enough time to be able to finish off this refinery, so now this thing should be able to do gold. Yeah, there it is. It's starting to fill it up with gold already. So it'll run through that stone really fast, which is nice, which means that once this is fully extended, I just had the 2, I can pull this all the way back. I'll need to make enough room to build the 4th drill, and maybe even do enough underneath to build the other 3 underneath. And we'll do 1 more all the way out. I'm gonna leave these 2 this way, so I can, after I drill down, I can pull it back up, move out, drill down again. So I do think I also need to probably add on a set of drills underneath and make this deeper here too. It's a process. It's working. I'm trying to automate it as much as possible, and minimalistically do work more or less. Okay, so if I need 1, 2, 3, oh god, not that many. I think to do the grav component, or the grav, I need to make 6 of those. So to make 6 of those, let's go production. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means I don't need a whole lot more silver. I don't need a whole lot of silver either. That should be pretty easy to knock out. So we'll knock that out. We have a truck over there kind of harvesting down some stone right now, which will probably keep that up going. I think now we just need to go get more silver. All right, well, I was able to get to the silver here pretty easily. It's right by the same place I was mining gold at. Happy I was able to find it as quickly as I was. I'm definitely really confused in these tunnels though, because remember I had to fly down into the tunnels to find the silver, and now that I'm doing that, I thought I was going like horizontal, but then when I turned off my thrust, I realized I was going straight down, so I was going vertical. Not what I had planned. Let's go ahead though and just come up here real quick. Let's just take a little bit of a hold here. I want to be able to dump all the stone into it, so I don't have to fly up and out. My goal is to hopefully be able to just fly straight out after this and just dig a bigger hole. I really should just mark this hole though, that I know it's silver. Oh, don't tell me that. I just got started. I don't want to deal with this right now. Oh god, there's more silver. Does this work? Yeah, this will work. Let's just dump this stone in there, like so. Oh, you go. Ow. You go in there. There you go. Perfect. Let's just continue to mine as much of the silver as I possibly can before I have to go back and charge up. So I have to get my way out of here too, which is kind of the headache I'm a little worried about, but let's just see how much we can farm up here. One thing I realized is since I moved my ship over here, I no longer have my respawn pod there to charge up, so I really need to make a med bay too. And I think you just need silver to be able to make that as well. So this kind of works out. Like, I know I could be also mining this silver that's right next to base, but I think off recording what I want to do is build an actual mining station here that's going to have automatic drills drilling down, harvesting all this stone, harvesting this cobalt, harvesting this ice, harvesting the silver, and refining out what can be refined out as we go. I don't think I'm going to need a ton more silver though to finish off the grav components. So I have gravity there. Once I have gravity there, then I want to build up the force fields, hoping that that's going to make it so we where's my gold? I think it's over here, isn't it? Yeah, right there. That way we have, I'm hoping atmosphere. I'm not atmosphere, but oxygen. I'm just not sure though if I have to completely wall the whole entire thing off with iron block, or if doing the stone wall, I mean, like the planet walls will be good enough for having a sealed room. We're gonna find that out today, and then that way we know. Well, I got a whole inventory full of silver now. I think that'll be enough to at least get the grav components done. It actually might be even enough, we'll see, to get the medical components done to make like a survival station or a med station back at base, because I'm clearly hurting on being hurt too. Granted, I could just use the rover to heal myself up from there as well, but let's just go back and see what we can make here. I'm gonna have to also make an O2H2 generator back at this base, because obviously I need to get ice in there. I need ice to start producing H2O. That's water. Start producing oxygen. Let's use the right words and the right terminology and everything else, and hopefully it works. Like I said, I don't think it's going to. There's also a hole. As I'm thinking about this, as I'm flying here, I recognize that there's also going to be a hole at the end here. So I wonder if I were to just wall this off and put a door here, if that would work. But we're gonna mess with it. We're gonna see what we can figure out. Hopefully it works. Production wise, okay, we're down to 2, so that should be. Are we out of iron? Is that our problem? Are we really out of iron already? Yeah, we're getting pretty low. Is this thing maxed out now? I think too. Let's see. Yeah, crap, this is max too. Let's just turn off these drill heads real quick. Come on, get back up here. No. No, here we go. Let's go drill. And let's go through here, and let's just go off. And then let's just reverse this. And then let's also reverse this one. That way they all get pulled back, and then I can add on to that, make it a little bit better as we go through that process as well. While we're waiting, let's go grab some more iron from our little iron mine we have over here. Pretty quick and easy to get to and get that done. Should fix our iron problem, at least for the moment being. All-time goal, like, soon. I don't know if it's going to be this episode. I doubt it will be this episode. But I want to get to where I have a flyer that is actually designed for mining to make this process just a lot easier and a lot better. It's going to take some work. It's going to take some effort, but we're getting there. I think that'll probably be next episode, though. Now that I'm starting to get some silver and some gold to make thruster components, I'm just going to need a lot more gold. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of harvesting of gold outside of recording, but that's not a big deal. Like, we'll be fine. That should be enough iron. Oh, that was iron too, wasn't it?
Inventory
Oh, crap.
full.
I didn't want to pick that up. Let's drop you.
Inventory
There we go.
full.
Now we got a full thing of iron as well. Be able to run that back nice and quick and get that harvesting down. And then we have plenty of ice in the area. Like, I found a lot of different ice holes, which is really nice. In fact, there's one right by our base now where I'm going to build that mining shaft at, which should be really convenient. What's nice about this, I should be able to just drop all that in there. Production. What are you being held up by? Hold on, what is refining? Iron. Are you saying that all the gold and basic refineries working on the iron? The other refineries should be doing. Are we out of gold? Like, how much gold do we have? First off, oh, it's being refined down. We have 106. Nice. What about silver? How are we looking on silver? Okay, we have silver. So how many refineries? What did? Huh? Oh, gold's here. I see. We only have. Do we have enough? Go. Oh, it looks like we're done. Hold up. Are we done? Did we get them all? Nice, we did. I can't carry them all, but that's fine. Okay, so where is this at? Right there. Okay, we still need a lot of other stuff here. Yep, that's fine. Let's just grab these grav components out of here, and then we'll put the rest into construction and get that done, which means that we'll unlock the ability to build our gates or our walls there. I wish there was a way to like tell like if it's sealed off or not in an easier way. I think the only way we can do it is just to build it up and see if it works or not. This shouldn't take too long though. We only need a few more steel plates and a few mortars and this is done. So the iron I went and grabbed should be enough. I will need to get some more steel plates though, because I basically need to seal this section off right here as well, which I think needs to be one there. Actually, that might be all I need to do is just put one block right there and weld those two together, and it should be good to go. So let's go production. Let's go back in. Let's grab like, I don't know, we'll grab 100 more steel plates. I know I could have did that a different way, but it's okay. We'll make it work. We should be getting really close. Yeah, just a few more motors and this is done. So we have plenty of steel plates for this now, which is good. Okay, cool. And then now that this is back too, while we're kind of waiting for stuff to cook, as I like to say, we can break this piece out right here. Because I do need to build one more drill right here, I think. And then run this out one more time. Just to harvest all of this out of here. All the way down. That should be good. Let's see here. I think I just need a steel plate. We'll just grab 10. And then I think I have, yeah, here we go. It's still not cleaned up enough. Okay, let's just go a little bit deeper here. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's see here. Yeah, nice. So let's grab that. We should have everything for this now, I think, right? Now you just need 3 motors. Come on now, where are my motors at? Am I really out of iron already? Hold up. There's no way. Really? That went away that fast? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go get some more iron. We'll dump this stuff. Actually, if I'm here, I might as well just throw it in this real fast. There we go. Now clean it up. Let's go get some more iron real quick. Alright, the grav generator is done. So now we should have... Oh, duh. It's not connected to power. Oh, crap. Crap. I did that dumb. Let's just break this back down real quick. And we will rebuild it. I don't know why I thought I was being smart by doing it this way, but of course it's not going to have power. Am I losing my mind? I really think that I am just getting old and... Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. I hit all the wrong buttons right there. Which means we're making a bunch of extra stuff that we really don't need to make, but hey, we don't need to talk about that. We don't need to talk about it. It's going to be stuff that we can use, so it's fine. I want to just put the grav generator underneath the ground. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. It might be bad. It might be a terrible thought, but we're going to give it a shot and see how it works. Okay, so if this is... Yeah, so if I just went down... Let's just dig a little bit deeper here real quick. Basically what I want to do is I'll put you here, and then you there. And then put the grav generator like that. And as long as this gets welded back together, we should be good to go. There we go. Let's get rid of the drill. We don't need that anymore. I'll do that in a second here, but let's grab everything we need there. Yeah, the weight is too much for that. Those grav components. Come on. It's gonna be so nice having actual gravity here too, like be able to walk around like normal. But I think just having this hidden is kind of a nice little feature. See, that would be so much nicer not to deal with, but we're almost done. It should be done right now. Throw it all back together. It should have power because it's connected to the metal frames. Once this is done, artificial gravity is 0.5. That's what you want, right? Like, is 0.5 right? I don't remember. Yeah, that feels good. Cool. Let's grab some steel plates real quick and finish that off. Cool. And then I think I just needed to put one... I think if I put one right there? Come on, let me do it. Oh my god, I'm just not able to focus on what I'm trying to do here. Right there. Perfect. And then... Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of that one. Let's weld this together. I need more steel plates, but that's fine. Let's just grab all of those real quick. We'll weld this one together. weld this one together. I might have to weld all the way down here, but that's fine if I need to. It's not a big deal. Let's get this drill done here. I still need a lot more steel plates apparently, but we'll just throw that to work real fast. Boop. Shouldn't take too long. Hopefully I have enough iron to get this done. Let's take a look here. Iron. Nope. I need to get more. This is fun. Alright, so I got this one done, which is nice. So I can run this one more time out. We're just going to do one at a time, though. So let's just turn... What drill is this called? Just to save power. What drill is this? This is drill 6. So if I go drill 6 on... Is it actually running? Yeah. I shouldn't need the other drills going because they've already done their part. So let's come down here. Let's reverse this. We're just going to do a full 10 meters right away. But it's moving slow enough, so it should be okay. Let's pray that it is. No, this is producing. So what I need to do is... What are... Is it generate? Yeah, here we go. So Forcefield generators. This looks like it takes a lot... Oh, superconductors? Oh no, what do you need to make superconductors? Not bad. It's just gold. Okay, so let's go production. Let's go... I didn't mean production. Let's go to here. And let's put this on board. And I just need steel plates, so... Do we have some steel plates? Nice, we do. I want to basically set this up so it is good to go. I don't know what to expect with this. I really don't. I know that we need to go all the way across with it, so it's going to take quite a bit of stuff to make. We're going to need a lot of gold, I think. But we should be okay. Thank you for telling me the energy's low. I appreciate that. So we'll just go all the way around. Oh, this is gonna be difficult to get done. There. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just put those 8 in. How much gold do I need? 44. So it's actually not that bad. Like, gold-wise, I'm not that far off. Like, I probably don't need to go get a whole lot more gold to make that happen. What I want to build next is before we go get that gold, I want to start working on getting everything I need to make a survival station down here, so I have to run over here to charge up. Because I don't really want to drive this vehicle back, because this is where I'm going to set this up at. Especially because there is ice below here, which I think is huge. So we're going to somehow design it to where I can just, basically right below here, I want a base that's going to just drill straight down. I want to have it designed to where it can go out in a circle pretty wide. Like, I really want to make it so it can just dig more or less a giant hole. And then at some point in time, either going to create some drones that go back and forth to haul it back to this base, or I'm just going to have to manually do it, or set up a tunneling system with, with some, whatchamacallits. So, you know what I mean. Yeah, so this isn't going to be bad, other than the fact that I'm going to need just a lot of gold. Oh, it needs gravity components too. So I'm going to need some silver as well. Shouldn't be bad though, because I have that dug out now, so I'll just have to go over and fill up a couple times, and we'll probably have enough to get this done. Let's run through though and just dump off what we have in our inventory real quick. We'll have to make a couple trips to get that done. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so with that said, what do I need to make a corner medical room, or just a medical room? Let's just do a medical room. Nothing crazy other than medical components. I do need some interior plates. Do we have some interior plates I can steal real quick? Let's do a quick little search because it's usually the easiest. I don't. If we go production, I should be able to just build 10. Oh, I'm gonna need so much more iron too. So the other thing I need to do is this done moving out? It probably is. Cool. Let's reverse this one now too. push that out. While that's doing that, I'm gonna go grab some gold. Probably I'll start with. So we start getting those superconductors done, and then where did the gold go? Where did it go? Right there. Get the superconductors done. Then we'll just need some silver, and then we'll just need some silver, I think, too, for the I don't remember. Oh, medical components. There we go. Okay, so I have plenty of silver apparently, because as long as I'm understanding this correctly, so if I go to production, if we look at all of this, the total amount of silver is 13, and I show that we have, hold up, silver, we have like 300-ish. So then gold is still being produced down. I only need 48, so I might need to get more gold. Big thing though is I'm gonna need a lot of iron and a lot of cobalt. So how are we looking on nickel? Nickel. I think it's gonna be very close with nickel. So I think what we need to do is, this should be fully extended now. Let's go ahead and reverse these up and bring them back home. Is it that one and this one? There we go. And I think what I need to do now is I really need to dig a deeper hole in this area so I can start digging straight down. That's gonna be a lot of work to get this done, but that way I can start farming more that way. I really should just move this all over to that station over there, but I need to get solar panels and batteries set up first, which that's also going to take some time. So this is definitely a work in progress, but we need to somehow automate a little bit more mining, and right now it's just not easy to do. Come on. Yeah, it's coming in now, so we should be good. This gold wise, like how much gold do we really have? Do we have enough? I don't think we're going to have enough gold. Like, we're gonna have to get more gold too. I mean, it is making some superconductors as we speak, but still I need 36. And looking at this, we have 3, 9. Yeah, we're gonna have to get more gold, it looks like, but that's not that big of a deal. I think more importantly is we need to start mining more in general. So ideally it would be to get that set up over there. I'm just wondering if I should take the time to do that, or if I should first take advantage of what I already did here by reversing this all, which I think would probably be the smarter idea. So let's do that. Does this have nothing in it, right? Yeah, so let's just break these down, because I need to put a rotor on the on here, or not a rotor, but I need to turn it and then put more pistons going down.
Inventory full.
It's definitely a challenge because does that stay in there? No, it does put it back in cargo, which is good. Okay. I couldn't remember if that was a script I had that automatically sorted my stuff for me or not, so I think I had some type of sorting script before. But I need to somehow get this to where I can start drilling downwards, because I really need to start going down to start collecting a lot more, especially if I can make some more drill bits. So now my question is instead of doing it this way, do I... Maybe what I do is let's put this one back. I know I'm sounding super crazy because I just tore this one down, but let's go right click. What do I have in my build? Oh, let's get rid of all this. Let's go right click. Okay, good. I can grab the majority of this. We can put this together. Let's grab it one more time. There we go. And then maybe I'll actually just put on 3 more below it and start mining out that way. And I could probably just use... I think this makes sense. I know I'm kind of breaking up what I'm trying to say, but if I want to make it so I can extend out my miners this way as well, it means all of this has to be dug deep enough to support the pistons. So I think the better way of doing it is to just continue to extend these drills down and just keep going this way. Yeah, I think this makes sense what I'm doing. It's a lot of work, but once I get enough of this deep enough, it's not going to matter, so then we just move on. But let's start by going like this. I need some steel plates, so we'll just grab plenty of those. Looks like I need to go this way too. You can actually get turned off. Oh, oops. My bad. Let's go this way. It'd probably be worth actually setting this up to where I can go just too deep right away. So let's just make this a pretty big hole real quick. Because the thing is, once you start mining stone down, it really starts adding up fast, which does at least give me a decent amount of iron and stuff. And then in the meantime, as that's being refined down, I can go get my own iron. I know I'm probably doing this a little backwards, and where I really should just focus on getting like a flyer that's designed to mine done sooner. But I feel like having some of this stuff built out and done is just going to make it that much easier in the end. Maybe I'm wrong, because like I said, my main focus is I just want to try and automate as much of this as possible. So it looks like I need to go just a little bit deeper here. It's not a big deal though. Go a little bit deeper this way. I think maybe a little bit more over on this side. See, if I would have put a rotor, I could have probably did this even better, but that's okay. We're gonna improve this as we go. Can I fit one in here now? No, I need to go back there a little bit yet. Let's get rid of some of this here. I'm still not there yet. I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. It's always the worst feeling, is like you want to finish saying what you're saying, but you realize that you're not gonna be able to get it out because you gotta sneeze. Okay, can I fit this here now? 8. What is still holding you up? Unable to place drill. It's gotta be along this side over here. Yeah. I gotta get that med station done too. That really should probably be my biggest priority, is getting that med station done. Okay, so now that that's done, I should be able to easily just make sure this is big enough. Because if we go 2 down here, I'm gonna get a lot of stone for this. So if I go here, and if I go, no, 4, boom, boom. Unable to place. I think it's up front there, and then probably the same thing. Yeah. All right, we're getting low on power, but I think I can at least get these placed. Then I gotta do is just start putting them together, and it won't be too bad. I think I just gotta waller this out a little bit more. I mean, people know that word, huh? That's a word you don't hear that often. Where do you think is that at? Probably still just like right here. What about now? Really? It's got to be like right in here. Oh god, what am I doing? Hit this side a little bit more here. This one? Oh, what is holding you back, bro? What is holding you back? I'm trying to see. I'll just go a little bit bigger then. I mean, I really should just take time and just do it versus thinking I'm big enough and then go from there. Oh, I gotta go get energy. I was hoping I could get that done, but... Oh god, can I get out of here? Yes, nailed it. First try. Woo! Alright, so I got those done. What do I have in my build planner? Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's gonna be huge if I can get these done. Let's go ahead and just take rid of this little notch there. Make this a little bit easier. Okay, so... Nice. I'm just trying to go through and plant what I can into these. So all I gotta do is just go through and weld. I think we're gonna hopefully have majority of the stuff already done. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so let's do... Rest we'll just put into construction. Which means we're gonna need a lot of stone and iron to make this happen, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and put these all together that we can. I say stone and iron, I just mean iron in general. I'll go grab some more iron here in a second. Really, I probably should just go get some more iron. Let's go do that. That way I can come back and work on welding this as it's being crafted. Hopefully this iron node that I have here isn't about to disappear, because it looks like it's starting to. I'll show you what I mean here. As we dive into this right there. Oh, it looks like there might be another one up there. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Like, you can start seeing some of the other stone, but there's still quite a bit of red here, so we're gonna clean it all up and hopefully just get nice and full. This is the only time I wish I could use like I would have made it so I could use the economy system, because I could have basically made enough money by now to buy a miner. You know, and that way you bypass doing a lot of this stuff. But I'm trying to refrain from doing that, saying that like economy's not set up yet in the solar system type of thing as this playthrough's happening. It's kind of my thought. Doesn't mean it's a good thought or a good playthrough, but that's just kind of what I'm shooting for here. So let's see if we can't at least get these drills set up, and I feel like we're gonna be looking a little bit better. And I know I'm going to have to do a lot more work yet. We definitely need a lot of silver and gold. Shouldn't say a lot. I think a lot of it's just going to be cobalt and iron at this point, which the stone's going to be able to get us the majority of it other than the cobalt, but I got to have it up and running first. Am I actually getting a decent amount of stone yet? I am. I mean iron. So if we get this done though, I think having those drills go, hopefully the cargo containers I have will be able to hold it all. The refineries alone should be able to hold quite a bit of the stone, and it goes through it pretty dang fast. Like, what are we looking at now for production? Yeah, I bet we're gonna get, oh, did I not unload it? I didn't. There we go. Let's do one more haul. Hopefully that's gonna be enough to get these done. We'll start welding it up. I know it's also crafted some stuff that's not part of the I probably should have cleared those out. We'll do that after we get back. We'll clear it all out, re-put in the build for just the drills to make sure that's what I'm making, because that's like got to be #1 priority right now, is getting those drills done, because that's going to automate a little bit of this for me. Obviously I'm still having to finagle with it a lot. Did that still also give me a lot of iron? It did. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's go clear out the build menu, or the build planner, the production side of things, and then we're going to redo it just for the drills, get the drills done, and I'm going to feel a lot better at that point. It's nice having gravity here too. I mean, it's not super strong gravity, but it's working. So okay, let's jump in here though. Let's go production. Let's just quickly get rid of all this. Okay, cool. And then grab that welder. So you're good. You're not good. You're not good. You're good. You're good. And you're not good. Okay. So let's go up here. Let's start by hitting middle control button, and we'll put the rest in. I think that what that does is it takes out what you're already using and then puts the rest in. So let's see if we can weld all this together here. Hopefully by the time I'm done, a good chunk of this is done being produced too, so we can turn these back on and start getting a bunch of stone for ourselves. We're getting there. I just know I need to have all the drills running, otherwise I'm going to end up breaking the ones that aren't made yet going through, because they won't mine enough around them. But this should produce a ton of stone, because I think the yield, if you get a lot more yield out of this, and really I should be putting some modulars too on my refinery. That is for yield, not efficiency. Okay, so we're getting there. I think all we have left is 3. Yeah. Nice, we're filling up pretty quick, which means that it's being produced pretty quick. Let's see here. I learned in my last playthrough that you have to have a mine, pretty much a miner or a drill, I mean, at every spot, otherwise it breaks stuff. I learned that the hard way. Okay, we're getting there. Uh-oh, it's still taking a while. How is it looking? Like, do I still have at least some iron being refined here? Let's see. No, I don't. Am I seriously out of iron already? And stone, it doesn't matter. Yeah, crap, I gotta go get more. Oh my goodness. I think what I want to do is I want to put all of these towards the end. In fact, let's just get rid of those And I'll make those manual because that seemed like way more than what I really needed. Alright, let's go get more iron. Okay, I have the drills done. These are not fully armored up with steel plates, but they're functional. So I'm going to call that good. I'm actually going to turn on all these drills real quick and start extending out this first piston here. So let's go ahead and grab drills. Let's turn you on. Let's go back to control panel. Do it this way, that way I know I'm on the right one. And let's reverse. So these should start going through now, no problem. Right? Why are you not reversing? What am I missing? Let's reverse it. Let's go maximum distance. Let's go 1 meter and see if I can get it to reverse. What? Come on. What am I missing here? Oh, come on, I need you to work for me. Why are these pistons all of a sudden not working? What am I missing here? It's set to extend because it's the velocity set to a positive number. Let's go ahead and save and log out and be right back. Okay, it's starting to go now. Alright, I just had to basically relog and now the pistons are moving. I don't like how fast it seems to be moving, but maybe that's right. Yeah, it looks like it's okay. I'm gonna not get hit by these drills real fast, but just watch. Yeah, it looks like it's grinding fast enough before they're getting damaged. I hope. So now we should be like looking really good on stone, right? Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, yeah, it's filling up fast. Which means that hopefully we are good to go. So what that's going to allow me to do now is let's run back. Actually, let's do medical. Didn't I put a medical station down somewhere? Yeah, 8. I need interior plates. Let's make some. So I don't think I do have some. Nice. Let's set this up. I need this to be attached to something though. Where do I want to? How do I want to attach this? I mean, I really could just throw it like right there, basically, and then let's drill this down, get rid of you. Conveyor. We'll put in a junction. We'll put in a normal pipe like that. And then let's do just one more C, just like so. Boom. Okay. So let's get this done. We're gonna need resources for this and resources for that. So let's go ahead and grab what we can. See what we can finish off. Nothing at all, really. Why did you act like you took... Oh, I still have drills in here. Crap. Production. No, we're gonna get rid of you. Let's just get rid of everything again and redo this, because... I grabbed the medical station too. That's fine. Now we can go like this. I think the only thing I need there is medical components. What are you going to take for those medical components? Oh my god, I need 100 silver. That's going to take a minute to get that done, but at least that's cooking. This is now finally moving forward. I bet it's stopped now though already. Let's just go for the 10. And hope it works. And hopefully... our refineries and cargo space holds up to this. Because the best news is I should be able to get everything else done other than those medical components, and at that point in time I just need to go farm a bunch of silver. But what I can do there is, while that's happening, I can build that station over there and make it so I can mine silver over there much easier, which will probably be what I end up doing, just probably off recording. I'm thinking now that we've seen this, we're probably at like a really good stopping point, because what I think I'm going to do is instead of going down, I think I'm just going to continue adding pistons to this. Like I might increase this by one more higher up here once we finish going all the way out here. Like how are we doing on stone? We're not capped on places, are we? That's full. Drills are not full yet, so that's good. Refinery is not full. Small cargo container and second small, so they're not full yet. They're getting there. Once this maxes, which actually it's getting close, I think we should be good. We'll let it run for a little bit and then we'll max out this side here, which will be good, and everything else should be pretty much done at that point, other than the fact that I can go build that other station over there, throw a couple batteries up, throw a couple solar panels up. That way we can start powering that drill over there. And then, how is this looking? It's still moving? Yeah, it's still moving. And I just want to make sure we're not, as long as the drills and stuff aren't getting full, they're not. A couple of them are starting to. Yeah, we better, actually I think it's done now. So we let it sit. We let them catch up. Should be good. Okay. Once those are done catching up, I have a feeling we're looking a lot better on things like iron now, right? Not really. Oh yeah, there's 2K. Good, okay, I saw something. Makes me feel a little bit better. Because now all I can do is just add another piston to this. Like tear it all down, add a piston, put all the drill heads back up. Which takes work to do it, but it would be a lot easier, I guess, in the long run, doing it that way. So, are we just filling up on... We are. This isn't... What are you producing? So why can't I get the stuff I need to finish? Did I finally just get it all? Okay, there we go. That's done.
Energy.
That's done. I have the medical components. I have all the medical components. Holy crap. I just need metal grids. To get the metal grids, I need to get a ton of cobalt. Sweet. Okay, let's go charge real fast, and then really I just need to go get a bunch of cobalt. The problem with that, though, is that cobalt takes so long to harvest. Or not harvest, but refine. I think it's like one of the slowest ones to refine. Maybe uranium's up there too, but let's just go over and see if I can get a bunch of cobalt real fast. I mean, again, I'm in that situation where if I just build this mine down and build it big enough, I can probably find some cobalt here. So I still think I'm going to work on building this station up. I need to fill up. What am I doing? Off recording. That way you guys don't have to watch me build a second station. But if I can get a nice mining station built here, who knows? Maybe this even just turns into my main base. I haven't decided yet, but I doubt it. I doubt it would, but we're going to, just for right now, not worry about it, because that's turning out all right over there. I'm not upset with it by any means. It's protective, and that's what I like about it, is if Reavers came in and attacked, I have faith that that's going to hold up a lot longer than anything else. Okay, where did that... There it is. So that's kind of why I like it. Oh, there's ice and magnesium right here too. So yeah, I'm good on... Okay, hold up. I got really flipped around. I think it's this one that I was grabbing cobalt from, right? Yeah, it's right here. Okay. I gotta turn around a little bit, but that's all right. We got it figured out. What's nice about having all this magnesium too is I can build plenty of... Is it this one that did cobalt? Yeah, there it is. Nice, beautiful blue cobalt. Awesome. So let's go ahead and grab a bunch of this up real fast here. It's gonna take a while, but at least you guys are getting an idea of kind of what I'm going for here. Obviously that having the ability to get all that stone is super nice, quick and easy. It's not as good as getting raw like iron and raw nickel and raw silicone, but it is a good jump into that material until I can get a decent miner going. I think it'd be really cool to build a rover, a bigger, like, large grid rover that would have like pistons and a miner set up on it, so we can just pull over like one of those things and drill straight down and grab it and then just move on. I think that'd be cool as heck. So how much did I actually get there? 160, almost 2k. But see, the problem we're running into is if we look at this, stone is still being worked on, but it's going to stop getting harvested down until I need to also create an injector for this gravel. Like, I really do need an injector for the gravel, because the problem is this is taking up a lot of the space here, and it's just not going away. Like, let's go this way. Let's turn off the dampeners. Let's get up to like 100. Boom, and then let's go. See ya. Turn the dampeners back on. There it goes. Sweet. Just sent that out into space. Hopefully it destroys a Reaver. That'd be kind of cool. Just peppers a Reaver with all these like gravel chunks going out there in a moment, hitting any form of atmosphere. Because look at this. This is all sitting here yet. I don't want it. I don't need it. You know what I mean? Okay, so but production wise, we should be like, I feel like, so if we looked at iron right now, we have 32 there, 175 there, and you know what, this is what should happen, right? Like the cobalt should go down here, because this is going to manufacture that cobalt a lot faster than anywhere else. So I mean, we do have a decent amount of iron now, right? Which is good. I can't extend out the I cannot extend out this piston though, so I'm gonna turn off these drills though, because this should be all the way out, and I might as well just save power. So let's go here, let's go drills, boom boom, and let's turn them off. I will make a group eventually. I can do that a lot easier, but for the time being there's no reason to, so we're just gonna leave it be the way it is. We're starting to get some metal grids going, but we still need a lot. What is that, 44? Yeah, 44 more cobalt. So it's producing. It's gonna take a minute because we gotta wait for all that cobalt. The question is that enough cobalt for us? I don't know. Basic refinery has nothing in it. Where's my stone? Why isn't there basic refinery in the stone? Or stone in the basic refinery? Oh, I'm almost out of stone. That's why. Sweet. Okay, so we did rock through that stone pretty quick, but still... I think what we do is we still push those drills out. Maybe we just go up to like 5. So let's turn these back on. Because I might as well be utilizing the sun while it's out type of thing. So you are at, let's go up to 6.
Meteor storm
We'll go to 5. Ooh, our first like actual live meteor storm. Let's go check it out. Where's it gonna hit? I need to get some Gatling guns set up too. I also need to just move this so I can connect that solar panel over here and get a little bit more power going. Okay, here it is. Looks like it's pretty far away. Not bad. Nothing got super close. That's not from a meteor storm. That's from when I destroyed my solar panel the first time. Okay, cool. Pretty uneventful meteor storm. Let's see though. Where are we? How are we feeling about this? All components were successfully withdrawn. There's no way. It made metal grids that fast? No way. That is awesome. Okay, so what we need to do now is I just need some steel. Beautiful. Just like that. Now I can come up here and refill up on power. Refill up on... Oh, I need an H2O2 generator though, so I can start generating my oxygen bottles again, because I'm starting to burn that up pretty quick. Okay, well that's awesome. I didn't realize that we were producing those that fast. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. It's going to take a long time to burn through that stone, but that's okay, because I should make it so I can easily apply more drills up here. I'm just not going to until I'm done doing this mining, because then we can just add another piston to this and then really push it out. So I wish there was a way I could like add a piston to this without having to tear it all down. Like, you know, I wish sometimes adding a piston head was like adding a whole nother piston to it, like in between these or something. I don't know. I know that sounds crazy, but then that way you don't have to tear it all down. You can just continue to grow it and go. Because kind of would be cool is if that actually ended up going all the way out over somewhere else. So if that's here, we're basically digging. If this is where that is at, we're basically digging straight this way. It's like we're not gonna run out of places to go anytime soon. What's all this? Silicone, magnesium, nickel. I mean, we might run into some of this a little bit eventually, but still. So that works. So yeah. All right. Well, I think this is probably a good time to end this episode. If you guys have watched this far along, I would love to get a subscription from you. Maybe get a like, get a share, get a comment, that type of thing. I always love hearing from you guys. You guys know how YouTube works, as well as yeah. Just again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support on this channel. To give you an idea of what I'm gonna do, probably before I record again, is I'm gonna build this up and start mining that area over there, especially for ice, because I should be able to pretty quickly. Start getting some of these superconductors and all this stuff done to where we can wall this off. And if that's walled off, I want to have this sealed off. And again, I'm not sure if this counts as a seal or not. I know I'm probably have to fill this in, but that's not that big of a deal. But still, be awesome to be able to actually have some atmosphere in here too, where I can be in here and breathe without my helmet on, that type of thing. So, but yeah, anyway, I will talk to you guys soon.